Hi guys, can you hear me now? Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Yeah, good morning. No, it's afternoon. Yes, hello. Okay. I think there are still quite a few people yet to join, so we'll wait for them, then we'll start. Hello everyone. Yes, good afternoon. What is my name? Okay, I'm Dishani. So I'll be taking this practice session for you. Okay. Others are yet to join in. There are only 25 here. Okay, for right now, yes, I'm taking maths. Good afternoon, Ryan. Good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. We'll just wait for 2 more minutes for others to join in, or else we'll start. I hope you all have your books and pens ready with you. Okay, then let's start. I don't know if others join in. We'll do a recap for them. Otherwise, we'll start. Okay. So I think one of you wanted ma'am to revise the Pythagoras theorem for locating the square root of a number on the number line. So how many of you are still having doubts in that concept? You all can raise your hand so I know. Okay, one. Okay, quite a few of you. Yes, yeah, Rakshita, I believe you had asked ma'am. So, okay, I'll help you with I'll show you with the help of an example. Then maybe it will be easier for you all. I hope my screen is visible. Okay. So this is the question. Locate visible. Okay. Okay. So the question is locate root 3 on the number line. So what we do first is we just take the number as it is. So say 3. So what are the possible combinations by which you can get 3? There's only one combination, right? 2 plus 1. So if you apply it in the, how can we find the square root for 90? Okay, we'll take it up after this. Yeah, 1 and root 2. Yes, you're right, Neki. Aditya Mundra will take your question after this, okay? Yeah, by semicircle method, we'll take it after this. Yes, 1 square and root 2. Yes, Tanisha, you're right. So how do we get that is by 2 plus 1. So there is no closest square which we can take which is closest to 3. That's why it becomes root 2. Root 2 square will be 2 plus 1. That's how? Okay. No, you don't have to note it in your books. A few of them had a doubt, so I'm just trying to make it easy for them. So this is for root 3. So suppose if you take root 6, what will be the combinations? 9 root 3 on the number line. Yes, yes. I will be taking up examples. Then I guess you'll be able to understand. Okay, Dhruv? Yes. Uh, yeah, I was asking for 6. Can you tell me the possible combinations for 6? Root 3 and 2. Ryan, root 3 and 2 for 6. Root 4 and 2. Root 4 will be 2, right? So quite close, Rakshita. So it will be just 2. 2 and root 2. 5 and 1, yes. 5 and 1 is one combination. Yes, Raghav. Yes, Anirban. 5 and 1 is one combination. So there are two ways you can get 6, right? There are actually 3. One is 3 plus 3, 5 plus 1, and 4 plus 2. Right? Out of which 3 plus 3 is not a good idea. It won't be a great idea to use that located on the number line. So either you can take 4 plus 2, which means root 2 and 2 square. Yeah, yeah. Root 5 and 1, yes. Yes. Root 3 and root 2. Neki, root 3 and root 2 will give you 5, right? Yeah. 3 plus 3, yes, Riya. But if you do that, you have to use root 3 as the base on the number line and as the vertical on the number line, which will make it difficult. So 3 plus 3 will not be an ideal option. You can go for 2 plus 4 or 5 plus 1. So you guys have got the hang of it. Yes. And then, so this is the first step. Once you got the combination of numbers, the next step is how to locate it on the number line. Yes, yes, Dhruv, I will take up your question. After this concept, I'll take up your question. So I'll just explain it with using root 3. How do you show it on the number line? Yeah, so here it is. First, using Pythagoras theorem, you locate, this is what we got as root 3. So next, yeah, so take one of the numbers on the base, which is easier to locate. So 1 is easier to locate. And then draw a triangle there. And then you take that as the diameter. Taking this as the radius of your compass, you can draw an arc. And the point you get on the number line will be root 2. Right? You can't see the screen. Okay. Are you guys able to see the screen? Yeah, I think Netri, you can refresh your connection once, maybe that's the problem. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So yeah. So in case of root 3, first you will have to locate root 2 on the number line, and then once you get root 2 as the base, you can use that and get plot root 3. Okay, yes. I'm glad you can see the screen. Okay, yeah, for all those of you who had a doubt in this concept, I think you all can note this down. It will be easy for you, right? So just make a quick note of it if you would like. Have you made a note? Can we move on? Please tell me the steps. Okay, Muskan, first you draw the number line. Okay, wait, I have paint here. I'll explain it to you with this. So, okay, for those of you who want the steps to make with the rounder. So first, okay, yeah, first make a line and on the number line you mark your points at distance. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, 3. So we take the hypotenuse as the radius. Yes, Raghav, yes, you need to take the hypotenuse as the radius. Aditya, do we have to write the steps? Yes, it would be preferred. At least mention that hypotenuse square, mention the Pythagoras theorem, and mention the next step of how you got those combination of the numbers. Then directly you can make the number line. That would be fine. So yeah, this is your number line. On that, for root 2, first you take 1 here, right? And then take 1 here, 1 unit as this measurement, and draw the hypotenuse. Then place the pointy end of your compass here and the pencil end here. So you'll get this as the radius, and draw an arc. Wherever this arc cuts. Yes, Arav, I'll show you the previous page in 1 minute. Once, just let me explain this concept. In both the methods, you need to write the steps. Yeah, I think I covered that. Okay, so yeah, using this as the radius, draw an arc. So this is root 2, and the point with the arc to get here will be root. Yes. I'll go back to that page. No, you don't need to note this. It's just a simplified way of telling how do you get the point using the compass on the number line. I'll go back to the, yes, here it is, the screen. Yeah, now you can note it down. So just mention this step saying using Pythagoras theorem, then hypotenuse is equal to base square plus height square. And the next step directly you can mention this, this hypotenuse is root 3. You can raise your hand once you've noted it down so that I know we can move ahead. Okay, yes, good job. Okay, all of you have noted it down. Most of you have. Okay, we'll move on. So what we'll do is we'll start doing questions first. Okay, and as and when you do the questions, I think most of your doubts on the previous concepts will be solved. Right? So we'll take up this question first. Find 5 rational numbers between, yeah, you can see the screen, right? Yep, 3 root 4 and 4 root 5. Okay, can type in the answers here and give it to me. Let's see who can get it first. So for this, you can use two methods. Either take it as a fraction and use the LCM method to get the answer, or you can convert it into decimal. I think in this case, decimal will be easy. So, and then give me 5 rational numbers. Yes, you can just type your answer in so that I can see. Raghav, your hand is raised. Okay. Hi Raghav, do you have a doubt? I have unmuted you. You can tell me.
No, ma'am, I don't.
Oh, you want to give the answer? Just type it in. What happened, guys? I have not got any answer yet. Okay. Okay, yes. By okay. 1 point instead of making these such complicated numbers. Amay, I think you want to check your calculations once again. Just check. And 5 numbers. Neki 5 numbers. You're right, but we need 5 numbers. Okay, okay. Yep. Vasudha, Atharva, and who's that? Tanisha. Okay, your answers look okay. Atharva, Puneet, Amay, just check your answer once. And yes, Shivesh, you're right. Ryan, are you sure? 15, 31, 46? Are you missing something? Just check once. Okay, Naitri, those are huge numbers. 2000, how did you get 2000? Just check once. Yes, Neki, you're right now. Elena, yes. Okay. So I think in this case it would be easier if you guys just convert it into decimal form. Okay, let me just wait for few more. Snehal, 19 by 30, 2 by 3. Okay. Yes, Snehal, your answer look quite right. Abhishek, yes. Ryan, are you missing something again? Are you sure the numbers are 15, 13? It's a fraction, right? 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Are you sure 15, 13, 46 will come between the numbers 3 by 4 and 4 by 5? Yes, Molly, Ranveer. Okay, by 20. Okay, you're missing that. Okay. Netri, 0.9. No, no. Neither your answer is wrong. You will have to cross check it once again. Okay, so guys, when you convert this fraction into decimal form, it comes to 3 by 4 is zero point 0.6 and 4 by 5 is zero point 0.8. So any rational number between zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.8 will fit the criteria. Okay, like I show you the solutions. There you go. So 0.61, 0.62 or zero point 0.7, something like that. So those of you who did not get the answer, you can just refer to this and write this down. Okay. Hi Vasudha, you had a doubt? I have unmuted you.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Vasudha, no doubt? Okay. The question is 3 by 4, but in the in the question it is 3 by 4. Yes. Answer is written. Oh, is it written 3 by 5? Okay. Oh, that's why. No worries. You can just. Okay, either you make it for 3 by 5 or just let it be. Oh, I did not notice this. I'm sorry. Is 3 by 5? Okay. So you can just note this down too as another example, like 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Yeah, 0.75. Yes, you're right. So any digits after 0.75 to zero point 0.8 will be included in this. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next question. Okay, so we did this. So now you all can try one question on your own. Try to solve this question on your own. And what you can do is once you're done, you can click a picture of your solution and put it on the WhatsApp group. So I'll just see. Let me see how many of you get this. Okay. Any number. Yeah, rational numbers, Anirban. Rational numbers between 0.75 and zero point 0.8. Hmm. I hope you're working on this question. I am waiting to see your answers on WhatsApp. I want just the number line. So the possible combinations for what will be the combination for root 5? Let's see. Okay. Yes, somebody else sent the answer. Let me see. Nikki. Compass, Nikki? I don't see an arc there. You need to use the compass. Okay. Somebody. Puneet. Puneet has also sent a diagram. Root 5. Okay. Yeah, I think it's fine. Puneet, it's fine. Root 17, 0 to 4 and yeah, 1. Yeah, 17 looks fine. I hope you've taken the radius as the hypotenuse, Puneet. Other than that, it looks fine. Yes, root of 5. Ryan? Yes. 4, 2 units. Ryan, just check your measurements. If you've taken 2 units on the base of the number line, then you should take 1 unit as the height. They both look 2 units to me. So just check once again. Ryan. Okay, others? You made it directly. Nikki, it's advisable if you use the compass. Okay. Take your time, but use the compass and make the arc. Others, I've got only 3 answers till now. Okay, Nikki, you use the. Okay, fine. You made the arc only on the number line. Okay. Yes. Yes. Sudipto Bhatta, it looks correct. Come on, answers. And the for the other two also, root 10 and root 17. So, okay, do one thing, just let me know what the combinations for root 5, root 10, and root 17 will be. Just type your answers here. For root 5, it will be 4 plus 1. Yes. Yes, Ria, 4 plus 1. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Vasudha, you're right. Atharva 2 plus 1. Yes, I hope square. You guys are going to square it, right? Root 10, 9 plus 1. Yes, Puneet. Root 5, root 4 and 3. Rakshita, if you take root 5 as root 4 and 3, that will be 2 plus root 3, you're trying to say. So then again it will complicate the process. Root 17 correct. Yes, Ryan, yes. Root 10, 9 plus 1, yes, Shivesh. 3 square plus 1 square plus 10, yes, Vasudha. Yes, Ria, your answer is right. Rakshita, just check your answer for root 5 once. Your root 10 is correct. Root 17, yes, Neki. Root 10, yes. Mansi, yes. Shivesh, yes, the 17 for 17th one is correct. Okay, you're sending the answer. Let me see. Root 5, yes. Yes, Vasudha. Mm, yes, Shakti, your answers, the combination is right. Root 17 is 16 plus 1. Yes, Ria, you simplify it. Uh, Tanisha, 2 squared will be, you will have to take 4 units on the number line. 4 units and 1 unit as a vertical. Okay, let us see. Neki, yes. Yes, Neki, root 17 is right. Elena, yes, you're right. I don't know this person. Okay. Yeah, Molly, check your answer again. So see, then you need to take 4 units on the number line. Either 4 units on the number line or 1 unit on the number line and 4 as the height. So Neki, Molly, it is wrong. Just recheck. 3 and 1, yes. Who's this? Mansi, yes, this is right. Uh, yes, I guess this is Kanchan Moite. Okay, yeah, it's right. Are you able to get it? Guys, I have got the answer only from a few of you. Try and units on the base of the number line will be 4. 4 units and 1 unit on top. Okay, I think I'm getting it where you guys are getting. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Somebody said-
Ma'am, when we like plot root 10 on a number line, so do we have to like write on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 1 like that?
Yes, you will have to write the digits on the number line. Okay, I think I'll just show the answer. It's easy for you guys. Yes. Atharva, yes, your answer for 17 is also correct. Hmm. Yes, Raghav, your answers look correct. Root. Yeah, it's supposed to be 2 units. Yes. Yes, Molly, it's correct. Root 10 is correct. Okay, so I have put up the answer on the board here. You can just cross check. Yeah, the root 5 one is wrong. It should be 2 units on the number line, not 3. It says 3 here. It should be 2. You can just note it down in case you got stuck somewhere. The root 5 one is wrong. It should be 2 on the number line instead of 3. It should be 2. Yes, somebody has sent the picture. Yes, Aditya Mundra, yes, the answers look correct. Yes, Sudipta Bhatta, the root 17 one is also correct. Yes. Okay, so people who finished this question, can you please raise your hand so that I can move to the next one? Okay, almost all of you are done. We'll just Sudipta Bhatta, Anirban, okay, yes, your answers are correct. Uh, okay, so we'll move to the next question. Okay, so let's see how many of you get this one. Okay, it's on the screen and 1.27, so both 2 and 7 is recurring. So how will you express in the form P by Q? Try this. In case you've forgotten the concept, I'll help you if you don't get it. Just try doing it. I hope you all have started this question. First you will take X as Arav, yes, I got your answers, they're right. Okay, I'm getting answers. Type. Muskan, your answer is right. Puneet, just check once. Aditya, yes, your answer is right. Vasudha, yes, but what will be the final step? You're right, you're just missing one more step. Yeah, you can simplify it. Yes, Atharva, yes, Raghav, your answer is right. Netri, I think you're going wrong somewhere. Just cross check. Mansi, yes. Tanisha, yes, your answer is right. Shivesh, your answer is right. Yes, Afnan, your answer is right. Molly, yes, your answer is right. Ame, are you sure? Ame, I don't think that is the right answer. You should cross check your work once. Vasudha, yes. Abir, yes. The answer is correct. Hey, most of you have got the hang of it. That's good. Yes, Neil, your answer is right. Dhruv, I'm not sure. No. Dhruv, I think you made a mistake somewhere. Just cross check once. Neki, yes. The answer is right. Elena, you are not able to understand the question. Okay, yes, I'll go through the question stepwise once. Yes. Rakshita, you gone wrong somewhere. Just check once. The digits, the numerator and denominator seem to be jumbled. Shakti, yes, your answer is right. Puneet, I think you can simplify it further. Puneet, you're right. One more step of simplification is will be done. Rakshita, quite close. Numerator, there is something missing in the numerator. Just check. You're going wrong. Yes, Nehal. Yes, Shivesh. Your answers are right. Dhruv, you have a doubt. What is your doubt? Okay. Hi, Dhruv. I've
Yeah,
unmuted you. What is your doubt?
yeah, ma'am. 42 by 33 is 1.27 bar, right?
Uh, Try dividing it. It will be reduced to a simpler fraction. You can. It's right, but you can reduce it to
Yeah,
a simpler
I
fraction.
got 1.27 bar only. That's why I wanted to ask.
Yeah, your answer is right. But if you simplify it, you'll get 14 by 11.
Oh, acha.
126 by 99. Huh,
Okay,
yes.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Divya, that is the first step of solving the question. You will have to go more ahead to get the answer. Ryan, your answer is wrong. It's not even close. Okay, fine. Guys, I think you are getting stuck somewhere. I'll just take you through the solution. Aditya, yes, Aditya Mundra, your answer is right. Amay, yes, you got it. Ryan, no. Okay, I'll just take you through the solution. So first thing, yeah. So first you will write x as the number, and then since 27 is recurring here, two digits are recurring, right? So what do? You multiply the equation with 100 because two digits after the decimal is recurring. If you do that, you will get the next equation which is shown here. Okay, and then you subtract the second equation from the first, so you will get the answer. Okay, Irina, are you able to Arav, 14 by 11, not 11 by 14. You made a mistake somewhere. Just check. Elena, were you able to understand the question now, or do you want me to simplify it more? Yes, sure, Elena. I'll explain it once more. Okay, so first you write the. Okay, I'll show you using Paint. So first you write x as the number you got, which in this case is 1.2727 recurring. So since only two digits, 2 and 7 are recurring, you can take it as 100. Aditya, yes, I'm repeating. I hope you can get it now. Yes, Abir, I'll take up your doubt once I finish explaining this. Okay. Yes, Arav, you got it right. 14 by 11. So this will be your equation 1. Take x as the number which is given. Then what do you do? Since there are two digits recurring after the decimal point, you multiply both sides by 100. When you multiply both sides by 100, you get 100x is equal to 1. The decimal point will shift two places to the right, 127.27. Right? This is the second one. Okay. Now what do? You subtract the second from the first, like 100x minus x is equal to 127.27 minus the first one, which is what? 1.27. So the answer you get here will be 126. Okay, I'll just erase this. Sorry, I don't have a proper board, so just make do with this for now. So when you subtracted 100x minus x, you will get it as 99x is equal to 126, or x is equal to 126 by 99. I hope I was clear now, Elena. Yes, Rakshita, yes, 126 by 99 is right. Uh, yes, you got it? Okay, that's cool. Yes, sure, yeah. You guys can note it down. Okay, Aditya Mundra, I hope you got it this time. Hi, Abir, you had a doubt? Yes, tell me. I have unmuted you. You can tell me.
Now, just wanted to ask that you said that when the two digits are recurring, we multiply it by 100. So, if three
Yes.
digits are recurring, we will multiply it by 1000. Yeah, so the
Yes,
number of
you're right.
digits recurring is okay. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Dhruv, you had a doubt? Okay, I hope you guys have noted this down. Okay, fine with this concept. Can I move to the next question? Yes, Aditya Mundra, you had a doubt? I've unmuted you.
Miss, I just wanted to know that in the exams, do we need to write these statements like multiplying equation 1 with 100, subtracting 2 from 1 in exams?
I don't think so, because these are like simple questions. Must be asked for 1 or 2 marks max. So just I think as long as you write x equals to write the first and the second equation, it should be fine. No need to mention multiplying and then subtracting.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. Come on. Oh. Okay, yeah. So yes, this should. Uh, okay, so in this question, the thing is only 3 5 is repeating, not all the digits. So it will be 23535. So let's see who gets this first. Type in your answers. Now the concept should be clear, hopefully, to all of you. I guess Molly, you're right. And we have the person who answered first. Good job, Molly. Yes, Muskan, you are also right. Good job. Okay, yes, we have more answers. Rakshita, you might want to check your close, but you made a little kind of an error in the numerator. Just check your calculation once. Teeth, I'm not sure if that's the correct answer. Is it? I don't think so. Teeth, just check your answer once. Ryan, close. Pretty close. Check your calculation once. Amay, no. Amay, are you getting stuck? Getting the concept? Do you have a doubt in the concept? Yes, Afnan, you're right. Yes, Snaggy, I've got your answer on WhatsApp. Yeah, you guys can just type in your answers here. No issues. No need to take a picture now. Amay, I had one question for you. Are you facing difficulty with the topic even now? Did you not get the concept? Just let me know. Okay, guys, I've got only these many answers. What happened to the rest of you? Solving, taking time, stuck, stuck somewhere? Or you want me to explain it once more? Ria has a question. Okay, I don't know. Shakti, quite close. Check your answer once. There is a calculation error. Yes, Mansi, you're right. Tanisha, you're right. Puneet, bit of calculation error. Just check once. Snehal, yes, you're right. Vasudha, again, numerator there is a calculation error. Just check. Neil, yes, you're right. Ria, no. Numerator is wrong. Just check once. Your calculation seems to be wrong. Afnan, yes. Ria, yes. Ria Gupta, yes. You're right. Neki, yes. Whoa, Atharva. Are you sure? Atharva, just check your calculations once. Rakshita, again. Still there is some calculation error in the numerator. Just check once. The subtracting part, I think you're going wrong somewhere there. I am answered Abir. Okay, I've lost your answer, Abir. Uh, Arav, yes, your answer is right. Arushi, no. Check your calculations once. Arushi, that's not right. Okay, guys, stuck. Okay, who is this? Abhishek is stuck. Why are you stuck, Abhishek? Okay, fine. I'll take you guys through the solution. So again, same thing. X is equal to, write it as 0.235. And now, what will you take? Yeah. So 0.235, yes. So you can multiply the equation with 100 and you'll get this. Yeah. I've displayed the solution on the board. I hope you get it. Seven by 30, no. Atharva. Aditya Mundra, yes. Shakti, no. Here, yes, Abhishek, the answer is here on the board. Yes, Divya, your answer is right. 233 by 990. Yes. So in this case, again, since only two digits are repeating, you can take 100. You can take it as 100. Even though the fact that it's like 3, 5 is repeating, not the first two, it's still okay if you take 100. Or you can directly take 1000. Yeah. Anything. Okay. You raise your hand once you've finished copying this down. Just ensure you copy this down, and once you're done, just raise your hand. Okay. Okay, all of you are done. Almost, no, quite a few are left. Abhishek Trivedi, did you get it? No response from you. Okay. You got it. Yes, good job. Why did you multiply it by 100 in the end? Because you got it as 23.3. It's not a fraction, right? 23.3 by 99. So to get it as a fraction, you multiply it by 100. Multiply by 10 actually, not 100. Miss, can there be bar 5? Yeah, Aditya Mundra, yes. It can be a question saying 0.235 bar. Then you multiply by 1000. Okay, yes, good job. You are done copying. Okay, so we'll move to the next one. Okay,
Ma'am,
this is a little tricky. Yes, Dhruv.
ma'am, I had a doubt. Like, if they ask such type of questions, so we have to multiply it by 100 or 1000 depending on the number which are recurring or the total number.
Yes. No, the number which is recurring. So the point is to get rid of those numbers, right? So then you'll get a fraction.
So if it was like 0.235 whole bar, so we would multiply it by 1000.
1000. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's see if you get this answer. This should clear quite a lot of your doubts. So one hint I will give you that when you're done, just type in your answers here, okay? And okay, Aditya, same bar only on the middle one out of 3. No, that it seems a bit improbable situation. Bar can be on the last one or on 2 digits. Okay, so take these 3 as separate values, solve for them separately, and then add the fraction that you get. This is the hint I'll give you. Okay, somebody's already solved it. Abir, is this the final answer? How do we do this? We have not done. Yes, Ryan. So take point 0.6 as just leave it aside as point 0.6. Now solve for point 0.7 using the same method we did for the last question. And then separately solve for 0.47. Once you get those fractions, you can't hear me, Shakti. Hello. Just try refreshing your connection once. Maybe there's some network issue. Am I audible to the rest of you? Yes, okay. Okay, guys. So first, just take point 0.6. Okay, point 0.6 can be written as a fraction as 6 by 10. So leave that as it is. Now solve for 0.7 recurring. There's one digit recurring, so you multiply by 10 and get the fraction. Similarly, do that for 0.47. So now you'll get three fractions. Take the LCM and arrive at a final fraction. Now solve. Yes, Afnan, you're right. Wow, good job, Afnan. That's the correct answer. Netri. Hi Netri, I've unmuted you. You have a doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya Mundra, no, I don't think that is quite the right answer. Ria, no. Puneet, mm, there is something wrong with the numerator, Puneet. The denominator is fine. Ria, no. Are you guys giving me the answer separately for them? I want just the final answer. Atharva point is to express in the form of a fraction, p by q, fraction, not decimal. Vasudha, no. If that's the final answer, no. Ria, no. Okay. Why are you guys getting? Okay, Arushi, okay, but I want the final answer. Yeah, add all of that and give me the final answer. Shivesh, final answer. Take the LCM and arrive at a final fraction. No, no, no. Till now only Afnan has got the right answer. Answer is yes. Neki, yes, you're right. Wow, two people. Afnan and Neki have got the right answer. And Puneet. Yes, good job, Puneet. No, Muskan. I am not. I don't think that's close to the right answer. Yes, Aditya Verlekar, you're right. The answer is correct. Tanisha, yes, correct answer. Shivesh, check your calculation once. Yes, Aditya, LCM would be 990. So solve ahead. Rakshita, point is of expressing it in the form of P by Q. So there will be no decimals in P by Q, right? Atharva, yes, good job. That's the correct answer. Guys have got it. That's cool. Rakshita, now you got the right answer. Shivesh, no, that does not seem to be right. Can be simplified to yes, Neki, yes. That's right. It can be simplified to that. Yes, Neil, you're right. 17.7. Netri, it's not in the form of P by Q, right? Miss, the answer is 1834. Yes, Selina, you're right. Good, you got the hang of it. Once close. Check your calculation once you've jumbled up the digits. Close, pretty close. Netri, no. The LCM is 990, yes, but the numerator is not that, I'm afraid. Yes, Abhishek Trivedi, correct. Oh, it's an irrational number, no? Riya, just check your calculation once. Ryan Gandhi, yes. The answer is correct. It's okay, no worries, Riya. Yes, Tir, you've got the right answer. Yes, Shivesh. Mansi, no, I'm afraid your numerator is wrong. There must be some calculation error. Okay, guys, I'll just show you the answer. Let's see. Here you go. So first take 0.7, 0.47 separately, and then just add them up. Then, so you get, this is what you get. You are stuck. Abir, where are you stuck? Uh, Wait. Abir, I'm going to unmute you. Please tell me where you are stuck. Hi Abir, I've unmuted you. Can you tell me where you are stuck exactly? Hello Abir, are you there?
Mom, I got it. It was just a calculation error.
Okay. Ria, you had written the correct answer. Did I say it was wrong? Did I say it was wrong? No, Ria, it was right. Or maybe some kind of confusion. It's a calculation error. Okay, so guys, you got this question right. Anybody still stuck? Please raise your hand so that I can just help you out. Okay, nobody stuck? Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. Yeah. So this will be done using the method of making a semicircle. Do you guys want me to take you through it, or you'll try this one? Bisection method, yes, Neki. Okay, try it. Come on, let's see. Try it and then send me a picture on WhatsApp. Yes, okay, guys, try. Okay, Abir, let the others try. I'll explain it to you. Give me 2 minutes. Let's see if people can get it. Otherwise, I'll explain it. Okay. So this has to be done using the bisection method. You don't remember that method. Okay. Let me just tell you the steps. Let's see if you can remember, if you guys can remember. So first, what you'll do, you'll draw a number line, draw a line, okay, and then mark 9.3 units on that, on the line. Then take additional 1 unit from 9.3 and mark a point there. And from the first, okay, wait. know what? I'll use paint and show to you guys. Okay. Okay, yeah. So first you take a line. Sorry. Okay, good. Okay. Take any point and measure. What is your question? 9.3, right? So measure 9.3 units. This should be 9.3. Then from here take an additional 1 unit. This should be 1, right? So for from this point, let's say O, to this point, let's say C, let this be B. Okay. So from, yeah, this change the color. From O to C, draw a semicircle. How will you draw? You bisect the line. You're drawing arcs here and here. Okay. So if suppose this is the midpoint, say D, so you get a semicircle. Let's see. Somebody has answered. Yes, this is right, Puneet. You're right. Shivesh, yes, you're right. No, this does not seem to be right. Raghav, I guess you've forgotten the method a bit. You have to draw an arc. So the circle will be from A to B, Raghav, not beyond that. Okay, Tanisha. Again, A to B, the circle will be from A to B, okay. Yeah, and then draw the arc. Okay, this is right. Netri, you just draw an arc from the point where the line touches the semicircle. Yes, this is right. Atharva, yes, you're right. Helena, yes, you're right. Circle is supposed to be from, yes. Draw an arc. Tanisha, draw an arc from D to the point on the line. Anirban, yes, you got halfway there. So after you draw the perpendicular, draw an arc. Okay, so guys, once you get this midpoint, using this as the radius, this part, draw a semicircle till here. And now this, from this point B, draw a perpendicular on the semicircle. And then cut an arc. Take this as the radius and then draw an arc here. So this, the final point which you get here will be 9, root 9.3. Sorry for the shabby diagram. Wait, I'll just take you guys back there. I hope you get it. Yes, Arav, you're right. Netri, draw an arc from, you got 9.5 at that line, right? Draw an arc touching the baseline. Are you sure? Who is this? Rakshita, are you sure you've done the right thing? I think there seems to be something wrong though. Yes, awesome, Neki, awesome. Here, guys, having any confusions? I think this will clear it. What radius do we use? You forgot. Okay, you didn't understand. Anybody has a question? Yes, Shakti, you have a question? Yes, Shakti. I've unmuted you. Hello, Shakti? Shakti, hi.
Ma'am?
You had a question?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
I didn't understand what radius you used in both situations, in the beginning and in the end.
Okay. So, okay, I'll just show it on paint once more. I think you'll be able to understand. I don't have the ruler and all those things, so you just have to make do with this rough diagram. Okay, first draw a line, right? Then from a point here to where it is marked 9.3. Okay, suppose this is O, let's say this is A. This is 9.3. Now from A you take one more centimeter and mark another point B. Okay. Now you bisect the line OB by drawing arcs here and here. Okay, this is something already there. By drawing arcs here and here, you get this line. Now taking this the center, suppose this is D. So I'll take another color. Taking this as the radius, draw a semicircle. So we'll cut through here, right? So now from A, draw perpendicular on this line on the semicircle, right? So this is supposed to be your 9 root 9.3, and from here taking this as the radius, this line as the radius, draw an arc on the number line here. So wherever it intersects, this distance will be root 9.3. Is it better now? Now all your questions are solved. Which
Yes,
radius
ma'am.
to take?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Atharva, was yours correct? I don't know if I saw. I see. Raghav, make an arc on the baseline like I've shown. Yes, Neeta. Who's Neeta? I don't know. It's correct. Arushi, yes, correct. But is the line, bisecting line looks a bit crooked. Just ensure you use the ruler. Yes. Neil, yours is right. Bhavika Jain, yes, right. This is good. Vasudha, yes, neat and tidy, very nice. Ame, yes, you're right. Ryan, okay, I hope you bisected, you found the midpoint and then drew the semicircle because I don't see the line bisecting. Netri, yes. Yes. Aditya, yes, it's right. There's no place to draw the arc, okay. Tanisha, yes, but make sure you do it. It needs to be done. Yes, this is right. Vasudha, yes, it's right. Okay, I hope you guys have, all your doubts are sorted now. If you've done drawing and making a note of this, can you raise your hand so that I know that I should move to the next question? Okay. Here, these are the steps. Yeah, in case you want to note down the steps, chapter notes. Done. Ryan. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So this is a bit tricky. Till now we were doing, yeah, no, this is not tricky. Just how are you going to do this? Let's see how you guys do it. I try to prove this and send a picture on WhatsApp. Let me see. So this is simple. First, as you will notice, there are few there are recurring digits. Yes, Atharva. No, basically you do solve the LHS, you arrive at the RHS, Atharva. This you'll notice that the digits are recurring, right? For 142857 is recurring. So you consider all the digits till 142857, arrive in the form of a fraction p by q, which once you simplify should be 1 by 7. Let's see. Do it and send a picture. Abhishek Trivedi, the steps for the bisection method, I don't think so. They are just for you to remember. Unless they mention that write the steps, I don't think you need to do that. That's for your reference. Yes, Dhruv, 1 second. Let me unmute. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, can we solve it by that method? Like we had to take the 100x and that wala method. So in this like 5-6 digits are recurring, so we can take that method.
Yes, this has to be solved by that method only. You're right.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Molly has sent. Uh, no, Molly, this is not the right way to solve it. You have to take it, express the LHS in the form of P by Q, like we were doing for the previous questions. So take X as 0.142857 because the digits after that is recurring. So take X as that. So then multiply it with the required amount of digits, subtract, and then you'll arrive at a fraction. Once you simplify that fraction, you should get 1 by 7. Abhi, done. Can you send a picture, Abhi, so I know how you solved it? Yes, Puneet. Good job. Got it. Nikki, uh, Nikki, can you send a picture so that I know the steps you've done? Aditya Vedlekar, yes, please send a picture so that I know what you've done. Yes, I don't know who is this, but this is correct. Somebody with the bat ball sign. Tanisha. Yes, good job, Tanisha. You got it. It's the right thing to do. Yes. Okay, here it is easy. Okay, Abhi, you're the one with the bat ball sign. Okay, yes, it's right. Rakshita, yes. When you simplify that fraction, Rakshita, it is 1 by 7. So you're right. Just have to write that last step. And this is Aditya Mundra, yes, you're right. Shivesh, yes, your answer, Shivesh. Nick, you'll have to write the answer properly, right? You can't do it in rough. We want the steps. This is like a proper practice session. So write it properly. Shivesh, yes, you sent the answer? Okay, you've written there. Yes, it's right, Shivesh. Shakti, yes, you're right. Yes, Vasudha, I got your answer. It's right. Oh, this is good. Who is this? Dharaksha. Somebody saying Dharaksha has written it stepwise and good job, good job. It's a good way of writing with all the steps. Ame, I can't see, but it looks correct. Good job, Ame. I think you finally got the hang. Atharva. Okay, yes. Yes, yes. Atharva, yes. Good answer. Afnan. Okay. Okay, okay. Got it. Got it. I think most of you got it, right? Let me just show you the uh, solution. So, in case anybody didn't get it, please make a note of it. Okay, more people are sending. Arav, yes. Arav, job. Yes. Molly, yes. Good job. Afnan, yes, yes. I got it. Good job. Good job. Good job, you guys. You got it. So now I hope this concept doesn't feel that tricky. Vanch, yes. Good job. Okay, so I'll move on to the next question. I think most of you have got it. Is there anybody? Divya, yes, your answer is right. Anybody who still has a doubt in this concept, you can raise your hand. Yes, Mansi, correct answer. Well written. Mansi, you have a doubt? Mansi,
No, Mama, I don't have a doubt.
okay, okay. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. Good, 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 good. Most of you have got it. I'm glad. So, yeah. So this concept we have not touched upon in last class. So we'll do that. Visualizing using successive magnification. Have you all done this before? Successive magnification, or is this something new, or how is it? What is it? You've not done it before. Okay. Yes, in school. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll do this. I'll use this as an example and teach you what to do. Neki, yes. Whoa, Neki, you've done all the simplification also. Good job. Good, good. You've done it in school very easy. Okay, Neki. Yeah, it is very done it. Never did it, but heard about it. Okay. Math teacher, cancel this. Cancel this in our exercise. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just show it to you. It's very simple. How are we supposed to divide 142,857 by 9? Won't it take a long time? Yes, it does take a long time without a calculator. But then you just check, right? See, first thing you check, Aditya, will be since the denominator is 9, just check if the numerator is divisible by 9 and start that way. I think it will be easy. Okay, for the ones who are saying that This is not there in school. Okay, this is not there for them. What I'll do is I'll just show you the method. It's not that difficult. It's very simple actually. And then if it just in case, it's a good thing for you all to know if it is asked in the exam. Okay. So yeah, visualize 3.675 on the number line. So first thing what you do, you make a number line with 0. Yeah, a normal number line. So we know that now the number 3.765, just take 3.7. 3.7 will lie between 3 and 4, right? So what do? You draw another line which has equal divisions between 3 and 4. It will be like this. So now you move on to the next digit. So now you've located 3.7, right? So now you know that this number 3.766, just go to one more digit. 3.76 will lie between 3.7 and 3.8. So this is how you magnify it. So first you magnify it between 3 and 4. So now you've got equal 10 divisions between 3 and 4 as a magnified version. Now you magnify 3.7 and 3.8 and make 10 equal divisions. So what you will get? This line. Now it's easy, right? Now 3.76 move to the last digit. The last digit will be in the center of 3.76 and 3.77. So final magnification will be a line which has 10 equal divisions between 3.76 and 3.77. There you go. I think it's pretty easy, pretty like self-explanatory and easy. All you have to do is just yes, it's very easy. It seems very easy. It is very easy, right? All you have to do is just draw the number line properly. So if you want, just make a note of this, right? And only one thing you have to make sure that the divisions are equal, right? The division between 3 and 3.1, so the 10 divisions should be equal. Just ensure that. Yes, Ryan, it's very easy, right? Yeah, exactly. So in case they ask in your school, it should not be that you lose out on such an easy concept. So just now I want, yeah, we all want simple things, don't we? Okay, just note it down. Raise your hand once you're done. So then we'll move on. Vasudha, yes, I will be giving one example only just to see whether you guys have understood it or not. And that will be it, because more of this chapter does, I don't think that many questions come from this topic, from this chapter, but in case they do, you should be prepared. Okay, how you do it, that's all, right? Okay, most of you seem to have written it down, so okay guys, I'll give you an example now. Just try solving it, the same method, just different numbers. Let's see, let's try solving it. Okay, here you go. Okay, the bar has slightly shifted. The number is 4.26 recurring. So 2626. Visualize 4.2626 on the number line using same successive magnification. Send me a picture once you're done. Let's see. It's very simple. I hope all of you got it. Neil, do you have a question? Guys, the bar is on 26 both. Okay, so 4.26 recurring. It seems to have shifted slightly. So Yes, Puneet, yes, the bar is on 26, both 26. So the number you have to visualize is 4.2626. Send me a picture once you're done. Let me see. I hope you get it since the concept is relatively easy. So first make a number line which has equal divisions in mark 4 and 5. So then take 4.2. 4.2 will be between, so you know the number will be between 4 and 5. So mark 10 equal divisions between 4 and 5. So 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, and so on. And once you see, the number will lie between 4.2 and 4.3 because it's 4.26, right? Then magnify the divisions between 4.2 and 4.3. You get 4.21, 4.22, and so on. You'll get 4.26, right? Okay, I haven't got any pictures yet. Guys sending? Are you guys sending me pictures? Sent. Okay, Abhi. Yeah. Abir, it looks okay. Just, yeah, if you mention like 4.2, just mention the adjacent division 4.3 also, that it lies between 4.2 and 4.3, like that. Like it lies between 4.2. Yeah, that's just the second one. You can mention 4.3 there. The rest looks okay. Yes. Netri. Netri, yes, but you're supposed to visualize up to 4 decimal places. So you have to go 2 more steps ahead. You have to visualize 4.2626 on the number line. Yes. Shivesh, yes, good job. Good job. Okay, this was an example. This is not required. Your answer is correct. Good, good. 4, yes, yes, yes. Good. Ame, no, this is Raghav. Raghav, good job. Ame, 4 and 5, yes, yes. Yes, Ame, good job. Got it. Very simple, right, guys? Very easy to get it. Wow, okay, Ame has. This is, okay, this is Molly. Puneet, good job. I like the way you literally shown it to be magnified. This is Molly, you have directly sent one picture. You have not drawn the number line before, like the one with. Just check. You need to draw 4 number lines in this case, and the number you need to uh, show is 4.2626. Rakshita, wow, nice, good. Elena, okay. Yes, Elena, good job. Ryan, again, it's 4.2626. You stopped somewhere. You need to draw one more line below. Yes. This is Abhishek. Yes. Good job. Anirban. Yes, Anirban. Good job. Yeah, I see most of you have got the hang of it, right? It's easy. It's an easy concept. Shivesh, do you have a question? Do you have a doubt or? Okay. Yes. Again, Muskan, one more line. 4.2626. So you've got it till 4.262, right? One more line for 4.2626. Yes. Atharva Mohite, good job. Yeah, guys, got it. Most of you got it. That's nice. Okay, I'm getting more pictures. Yes. Netri, yes. First, second, third. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Vasudha, yes. Good job. Tanisha, yes. Good job. Wow, Tanisha, good, neat. I like the diagram, very neat. Ryan, yes, just mark the final point as 4.2626 and one more line and mark it. Okay, EJ has sent a blurred diagram, but okay, it looks okay. Just mark the final point on the number line 2626. Ryan 262, right? Then one more line is there for 2626. Right? Okay. Okay, guys, we'll move on ahead. Abir, Kahoot. Okay, for that, I guess I need to cover two concepts. We can play Kahoot tomorrow. So I'll just cover the two remaining concepts of this chapter. One is what do you say? Operations on real numbers and rationalizing the denominator and laws of exponents. Okay, I'll just cover that for today. Then we can play Kahoot tomorrow and practice more. Okay. Yeah. So we'll just. I hope we can move on. Yeah. So guys, yeah, note this down, okay? This is the rest of the chapter which last time I was not able to cover on the previous class. So just make a note of these things. Yes, Aditya Mundra, yes. Good job. I got your answer. Yeah, Neki, yes, I had paused it. Yeah. So first, there are three operations mainly we are going to look at. Basically all four: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Okay. So how do you add numbers which have both real and like rational and irrational numbers? How are you going to add them? So simple things, you separate the rational part out and add the irrational part separately. So it will be, yeah. So what you do, you separate this. It will be 2 root 2 plus root 2 and 5 root 3 plus root 3. Components which have the same irrational components, right? Yeah. Add rational components which have the same irrational components. Just add that. Yes, coefficient with coefficient. Yes, Neki, you're right. They're like terms. Yes. Yes. Somebody has sent a photo. Yes, Arav. Well done, well done. Okay, make a note of this. So when you add or subtract, it's the same thing, like the similar principle. You add the rational components which have the same irrational components, irrational parts. So here 2 root 2 and you add root 2 to it. Okay. Note this down, note this example and the message. Add rational components which have the same irrational components. Okay, like terms. Like then next is multiply. Multiply them separately. So now 5 root 6 and 7 root 7. So multiply 5 and 7 and multiply root 6 and root 7 like this. Yes, you get the answer in terms of a irrational number. So basically when for all, okay fine, we finished division, but for all these properties it's not a defined thing, like when you add a rational and irrational number, the number you get might be rational or might be irrational. There's not no fixed rule. Like suppose you have to add once you note this down, I'll give you an example for that. Okay, you guys did not finish copying the last one. Okay, sorry. Here. Yeah, guys, yeah, I've moved back to the previous slide because you were not able to copy. So just raise your hand once you're done, so then I'll move. Add rational components which have same irrational components. Just ensure you've written that same irrational component. Okay. Okay, yeah, done. That's okay. I'm moving on to the next slide. This is there in your chapter note. So if you miss out something, don't worry too much. And we'll do another example so you'll get a hang of it. Here. So when you multiply the rational parts separately and irrational parts separately. Right? Got it? Again, raise your hand so that I can move on to the next concept. This is just basic, what do you say, basic operations which you need to know. It should not be like you see an irrational number and get scared that, oh, what am I supposed to do now? Neki, you're right about when it is 6 into 7 root 7. Yeah, you multiply 6 into 7, so it will become 42 root 7. Okay, Neki. Okay, so I think most of you have copied this down. I'll move to the next slide. In case of division, again, same. You try to simplify the number which is irrational in the form of like 15. Root 15, you can write it in the form of root 5 into root 3, right? Because there's a root 3 in the denominator, it will get cancelled. So yeah, you basically simplify the irrational number and then just see if you can cancel it with some other term. So yeah, this is all just basic properties so that you don't freak out when you see an irrational number and not know what to do. Again, raise your hand once you're done writing this. Okay. Can we write the remainder in fraction form? Fraction form as which part would you like to write in fraction form? Root 5, you mean decimal form? Vanch? Yeah. If when it cannot be simplified, yeah, you can leave it as it is, like root 5 or root 2 or something like that. Just leave it as it is, no issues. Yeah, so what I was saying was, since most of you have finished writing, I'll just show you one thing. Yeah, so point is, yeah, yeah. So in case you have a number like say 6 plus, okay, let me just say 6 root 7 minus, uh, what do you say? You get some 6 root 7 plus 5 and then minus 6 root 7. If you perform the operations on this number and this number will get cancelled and you are left with 5, which is a rational number, right? It is rational. So basically the property I'm trying to say here is that if you add irrational number with a rational number, you may or may not get an irrational number. There is no fixed rule saying you add two irrational numbers, you're going to end up with irrational. It depends on case to case situation, like something like this. Or even when you multiply, suppose if you were going to multiply something like 2 root 2 into, let's say what, 3 uh, root 5, no, root 6, I don't know, 2 root 2, 3 root 2 and 2 root 2, you'll get 6. 6 into 2, again you end up with a rational number, right? So basically just keep this point in mind that it's not necessary that you always get, like, what do you say, if you're adding or performing operation with irrational and rational numbers, you'll always get irrational numbers again. Yeah, okay, yeah, the division part, yes, I'll show it again. Here you go. Okay, yeah, so after this we'll do one. After this, I'll just cover the exponents part first, and then we can take examples tomorrow, right? We'll just, yeah. Okay, I'll move on to the exponents one. Laws of exponents. You would have done laws of exponents in the previous class, right? Like previous grade in 8. Have you all? Yes. Okay, y'all are familiar. It's not like an alien topic, right? Yeah. Okay. So these are some of the basic laws of exponents. Okay, yeah, before this I forgot, we need to cover rationalizing the denominator also. Okay, wait, first I'll cover that. Yep. So rationalizing the denominator, in cases when you are having fractions, right? Or having fractions with irrational parts in the denominator, you need to rationalize it so that you can simplify it. Most of the cases you are going to be able to simplify it. Suppose you have something like 1 plus 2 by root 3. So it's simple. The property here, you can use the property of a plus b into a minus b, which gives a square minus b square, right? Using that property, this is how you simplify it. You just make a note of this. I think it should be self-explanatory, right? Conjugate, yes. So the conjugate here will be, how do you get the conjugate, will be using the principle of a square minus b square, which gives a plus b, a minus b. So if you remember that algebraic identity, it becomes easy for you to solve each of the, what do you say, each of the questions with ease. Okay, yeah. So raise your hand if you finished copying this, so that I can give you an example. Guys, raise your hand once you've done copying this, okay? So we'll do an example. Let's see how you get it. Okay, we'll move on. So yeah, here's a question. If possible, type in your answer. So we'll see how many of you get it. Rationalize the denominator. So the only thing you need to remember is use the identity a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Using that, you can rationalize the denominators of all complicated fractions. Okay. You can type in your answer if it's easy. Just write root or something in case of symbol. No, you don't need to mention the identity, Elena. It's just for your reference that you know you can keep that in mind, because that's the key to almost all the questions. Yes, Atharva, good job. That's the correct answer. Even Puneet, good job. Ame, are you sure, Ame? There will be an irrational part, Ame. Just check your answer. Yes, Abhir, you're right. Abhishek, once they are done with this question, I'll move back to the previous slide, okay? Yes, Tanisha, good job. Good job, guys. You're getting the answer. Yes, 7. Yes, Afnan, your answer is right. Didn't understand the method properly. Aditya Mundra, you know the identity a square minus b square, right? When you expand a square minus b square, you get a plus b into a minus b. So, consider this example. This is 1 plus 7, 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2, right? So this is the a plus b part. So when you multiply it with the a minus b part, you will get a square plus b square in the hopes of simplifying this. So now just try. If you still not get it, I'll show you the answer. Raghav, no, the answer is wrong. Just check. Ryan, no, answer is wrong. Shivesh, yes, your answer is right. Ryan, there's something missing. Neki, yes, your answer is right. Elena, check your sign and check your calculation once. Netri, no, the answer is wrong. See, this fraction is the a plus b part of the identity a plus b into a minus b. So you multiply it with the a minus b part or the conjugate, which is 7 minus 3 root 2. When you simplify it, what do you get? Is the answer. Naitri, no. Okay. Arav, yes, your answer is correct. Rakshita, yes. Amay, you did not understand? Elena, your numerator is right. Just check the denominator once. Yes, once. Your answer is right. Amay, do you remember? Okay, I'll just show you in Wait. Okay, Amay, so there is an identity which is a square minus b square, right? When you expand it, it gives you a plus b into a minus b, right? So what the fraction that you are given in the question will either be of the form will either be of this form or it will be of this form. Okay, so all you need to do is find out which it is. So now in this case, it is of the form a plus b, right? 7 plus 2 root 3. So you multiply it by, what do is you take 1 by 7 plus 2 root 3, and you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 7 minus 2 root 3. 7 minus 2 root 3. So now this is a plus b and this is a plus b and this is a minus b. So what do you get? You will get 7 minus 2 root 3 in the numerator, and in the denominator b. You can do it manual. I mean, you can expand the brackets and do it if you like, or you can just directly write it as, oh sorry, directly write it as 7 square minus 2 root 3 square. Okay, this is how you get it. Now are you getting it? Now try solving it ahead. Yes, once your answer is right. Elena, your denominator is wrong, the numerator is correct. Amay, did you understand the concept? Are you guys okay with the concept? Yes, Aditya, you're right. Okay, got it. Good job. Okay, solve it ahead. Let's see. I'll just show you guys the answer. So here. Elena, no, I've shared the answer. Just check your calculations. Okay, the solution is there on the board, and for all those who did not get it, just make a note of it so that just remember, that's why I'm giving you the identity. If you keep the identity of a square minus b square in your mind, you always know that each fraction that you're given to rationalize, whatever it may be, it will be either in the form of a plus b or a minus b. So you just have to multiply the other part or the conjugates of it and simplify. So you get the answer. So that's why that identity is, remembering the identity is very crucial. Okay, raise your hand, guys, once you're done copying this. Somebody wanted to copy the previous slide, so I'll just go back once you're done. Okay, most of you are done. Okay, somebody wanted to copy the division part. Which part did you want? Okay, yeah. Anybody who wanted to copy some previous slide, please let me know which slide do you want. The rest of you, yes, you can leave the class for now. We'll take up laws of exponents tomorrow and we'll practice the remaining questions tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Yes, you can leave, Ryan. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye, guys. I hope you understood the concepts today. Have a nice time with you too. Thank you. Bye, guys. Yes, bye bye. We'll take up the remaining things tomorrow.